3, 2, 1, go! Okay, black team, you ready?
Yeah! Yeah! First in the playground!
Okay, green team, you ready? Okay,
Round 1.
let's start!
Fight!
Oh, you have to stay in the grass, you have to stay in the grass. It's honor system, guys, honor system. Sit down if you're out. Are you out, Amy? Okay, thank you for being honest. Oh. Don't shoot the dead person. Okay, okay, out, okay. Game over, okay. Round 2. Green team, are you ready?
Wait, I think.
Are you ready, green team?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. Black team, you ready?
Round 2.
Okay, set, go!
Fight!
I shot Ellie!
Stay in the grass, stay in the grass. Okay, that's it. Okay, done. Black team, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Green team, are you ready? Okay,
Final round.
set, go!
Fight!
If you're out, sit down. Huh? 2. Okay. You're out. You're out. Go, go, go. You gotta go. You gotta move, 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 move. Move. You gotta move, Jay. You gotta move. Hey, stop, stop, stop. Okay, let's put the gun down.
Calm down.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Don't.
This way.
How's the food? It's okay? Yeah.
You
can tell, huh?
Before, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. They're good.
They're really good.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, guys, I can do the back one.
All right. So all the treasures is inside the park over there. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm gonna give you guys about 10 minutes. Hey, stay behind the line. Stay behind the line. Okay. About 10 minutes to find all the treasures. Okay.
Yeah.
Once we find 1, 2, and then 5 medium prizes, and that's it. Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Set. Oh, hey! I didn't say go. Hey, stay behind the line. Stay behind the line. Jay, you too. Stay behind the line. Hey, you cross the line. Okay. Okay, come. Okay, we're looking for treasure. Okay, it's gonna be on the paper.
Where's
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there you go. Nice, nice. That was just trash? Oh, you got one, Alex? Nice. Anybody got 1 or 2? Oh, those are small prizes, not that big one. They keep. Oh, there you go.
Hey, Jen! I found your map.
Keep looking, keep looking. Keep looking, number 2 still out there.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, if nobody finds it in a few minutes, I'm gonna have my wife come and give you guys hints. Price, yeah. Big one, and then but number 2 because now nobody finds it. Number 2 will become second place. Yes. Okay, pick one prize. Oh, ring pop. All right. Okay, who's next?
Me. Balls.
Okay, how many do you have?
I got 2.
You got 2?
So I get 2?
You can pick 2. One at a time. Okay, look away. Look away. Okay, there's 1. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have a medium.
You got medium?
Yeah. I gave him one.
Wait a
I have
minute.
a small and a medium.
Where's the M? Oh, you have 1 M. Okay, so you get 1 ring pop, and we'll do medium later. Okay. Keep your medium. Bring it to you later. We're just doing the blank ones. Okay, who's next? How many blank ones do you have? 4? Okay, you pick. You get. Okay, pick 4. Be fair. Okay, 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, the little kid. What's the little kid's name? Max, come here. Oh, you can pick 2 from here. Okay. Okay, 1 at a time. Okay, 1 at a time. Oh, what is this? What is this?
You got a timer and a Pokemon.
Oh, you got 2. Okay, there you go.
I was surprised.
Okay, 1. Ooh. Is that bouncy ball? Okay, here we go.
So you,
There you go.
your daddy and mommy called you.
Good job.
Emily. I got a ball.
Okay, 1.
I like it.
Oh, 1 more. Hey, Max, where are your prizes? In the pocket? Okay. All right, good job. So you got the medium prize. You cannot touch. Just if you touch it, that's yours.
The biggest one or the smallest
Okay,
one?
that's your what? Look, what's inside?
Ooh,
What is that? Oh,
Mechanical top.
whoa, that's cool. Can I see? Can you show?
I have no idea what it is. You can bend it around and spin it like a fidget spinner.
It's kind of like a
Oh, it's
fidget
basically
toy.
a fidget spinner.
All right. Okay, let's see. What's inside?
That was the good one.
What is that?
glue gun.
Glue gun. Okay.
You should
For,
make something.
for crafting. Okay. What's that?
Those are good.
Oh, are those sunflower seeds? Number 1 prize. Yeah, number 1. Yeah, nobody found number 2. Okay. You can open it.
A train.
What is it?
Train. Model train.
Oh, it's a model train.
I got
Can
an
I see?
airplane last time.
Whoa, here we go. There go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh my gosh. That-
It's gonna play the song.
Whoa.
Blow it out.
Okay, make a wish.
Happy birthday.
Oh god, it's
All right, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
There you go, there you go. Put that back down. Okay, okay, go. Okay. Okay, don't hurt yourself, okay? Whoa. Careful, careful. Whoa. Hey guys, what? Whoa. Careful, careful. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, dang, guys. Whoa. Careful, careful. All right, good job, good job. Let's give him a hand, let's give him a hand, let's give him a hand.